Hi friends. Application Performance Monitoring, APM, is a crucial aspect of developing and maintaining high-performing software applications. Monitoring Python applications is essential for several reasons, including identifying and addressing performance issues, identifying potential security vulnerabilities, and gathering valuable insights into user behavior. Some of the key metrics to monitor in Python applications include response time, throughput, error rates, system resource utilization, and database performance. There are many APM tools available for Python, including New Relic, Datadog, AppDynamics, Dynatrace, Scout APM, Raygun, Stackify Retrace, SolarWinds AppOptics, Instana, and Elastic APM. When choosing an APM tool for Python applications, it is important to consider factors such as compatibility, scalability, ease of use, customizability, and support. Effective application performance monitoring is crucial for ensuring the optimal performance, security, and user experience of Python applications.